Fuck, man. If only you were like a little more there and you weren't so out of it.
Yours is more or less probably
Again, headache rack install. This one, they just want a rear portion, just like the front. So we're making the rear half removable though, with it'll just be like a clevis pin to pin the rack. Yeah, drill the holes. I'm gonna weld in some aluminum square stock, and that way it'll slide onto it, pin it, and they'll be removable. And being solid aluminum, it'll be strong enough to take whatever they're gonna put on it. Those little choo-choos I just measured, I'm cutting them. I should almost get it. And that will fit. Little update, Noah's been doing nothing this whole time, literally for the last like half an hour. And I guess I have actually been doing stuff. Welded in these little support pieces for when the weight comes down, so it just doesn't cause this to deflect in any way, shape, or form. And I'm welding in the little nubs here that will have a bolt through them, and so that the top half is removable. And yeah, one side's done, this side's almost done. Yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, it's bright out today. It's nice actually, the smoke's cleared up so you can actually see the clouds in the sky. It's nice. This is Landon's 240SX. Landon's 240SX has a 5-liter V8 in it from a Fox Body Mustang. He made some custom mounts for his accessories so he could figure out his belt routing, and we helped him out with his thermostat housing, and yeah. It's on these SSR Vienna Courage. Specs are 18.8, 18.9. Not sure what the exact offset is, but yeah, it looks like good. Wide body. He's just got it prepped for paint. That's why it's all sanded down like this. And we just finished doing an alignment, and we're gonna build some exhaust bits for it, and then it'll be ready for paint. This thing is going out of the shop just for a moment, and then something else is going to come in the shop just for a moment. Look at that fitment. Sick. What even is this thing? 19 at least. This is my 19 by 6J plus 45. Get out of here! So yeah, another little parts order came in. I think this is a lot of the engine internals and stuff that we need for a customer's rebuild on his 2004 STI. Yeah, Tomei head gasket. Set there, Killer B, pickup, strainer, baffle. Manly rods, Manly pistons, Killer B. That's the other part. The one of them's a baffle, one's a strainer. And pickup tube. Gates performance timing belt kit. Yeah, let's move all this stuff over to the desk here.
Want to be in the vlog?
Whoa, hey.
Want to outro it?
No, I'm okay.
Do it. Come on.
Nope.
Come on. For the people.
People?
Yeah. For Uncle Joel.
For Uncle Joel. Like, comment, subscribe for more platform content.